ED Auto Company locates in Guangzhou City, South China. It specializes in production of Japanese engine parts. Its main products are engine liner kits and electronic components like piston ring, gasket, spark plug. For more than 12 years of research and development, ED Company is keeping to introduce world-leading technology and equipment. Technical advantage rank in world-class level. Quality follows step with Japanese standard. The company have a professional production management system, which standardized products, exquisite quality control, and higher efficiency. All ED products QC, pass, and tested by 100,000 kilometers guarantee. Same with original spare parts assurance. ED products pass through multi-times inspection before leaving factory to ensure each item matches OEM standard. The company have an enthusiasm after-sales service department as products exported worldwide different countries. Some branches were set up abroad, like Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. More franchise agent is recruiting meanwhile. We cooperate with many international logistics and cargo shipping companies to make sure goods delivery on time and safely. ED brand awarded international certificates, quality guaranteed, high reputation and won trust of customers. We commit pursuit perfect as our enterprise spirit. That is why ED One Destiny comes from. ED auto parts are applied to a wide range of Japanese engines, including cars, buses, trucks, machine, forklift, and excavator, etc. We look forward to hearing from you. Together we build the future.